Hello everyone, at ngayon ay day 2 na ng SME. Today is November 23, 2024. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga companies or mga store na nandito or mga businesses sa biyahe ko.
I want that as an outstanding picture. Right. Pwede naman humingi ng wala pa.
Hello everyone, at day 2 na ng SME at kasama natin si Ma'am Jera.
Hi!
Then Ma'am Jera, regarding po pala sa booth nyo ma'am, is ano pala yung inaano nyo ma'am, kinikater ma'am?
So, we are under Mangwan Franchising Corporation and one of our flag carrier is the Bukuwan. Siya yung #1 food concept namin, which is, ang franchise package niya is 375,000. That's VAT inclusive. Kasama sa package ang ganitong design ng food cart that fits for a 4 square meter na floor area. Included in the franchise package, yung mga free location assistance. Kami na din yung maghahanap ng locations nationwide, whether ang target location mo is Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao, in malls, LRT stations, MRT, outdoor spaces, commercial spaces, open tayo sa mga ganyang locations. And most trusted ang ating Bukuwan sa OFW, seafarers, and retirees. And nag-start kami mag-franchise year 2000. Pero si Bukuwan mismo, 2011 namin siya inumpisahang ipa-franchise nationwide. And we are a proud member din ng Philippine Franchise Association. Okay? And kasama din sa package yung mga utensils and equipment like yung mga blender, mga weighing scale, lahat ng mga kakailanganin na operational equipment para sa operations. Okay? And ang menu natin for the Bukuwan is like buko juice and buko shake lang. Wala tayong iba't ibang mga flavors like may mga buko pandan. As in pure buko juice tayo and buko shake lang. 100% pure, wala tayong halo na preservative.
Then, ayun pala ma'am, kapag avail ng ganito ma'am, is pwede po ba installment or as in dapat full payment po siya ma'am?
Okay, so para mahanapin namin kayo ng mga locations, sila franchises, you have to settle the 375,000 na franchise package. And for this event sa Philippine SME, meron kaming 25,000 discount and waive na din yung royalty fee. So, instead na meron kayong babayaran na 5% na royalty fee, wala na kayo. Waive na yon. Wala nang monthly charges. Okay? So, if you're planning to franchise, to put up Bukuwan plus other food concept, you can avail with a big discount. So, we also have other food concepts like this one, Bukuwan. We have Juanitos Buko Station, Mangwan Silog, Mangowan, Lugawan, Lemon Pomor, street foods, stir-fried noodles, Bulalukan, Egmoto, Ihawan, Mighty Burger, and Wonder Potato. Either of this one is under Mangwan Franchising Corporation. Pwede kayong makakuha ng malaking discount. Also, for Bukuwan, we have promo. Instead na 375,000, magiging almost 300 plus thousand na lang siya if tatlo yung kukunin. Instead na 1,125,000, 1 million na lang for 3 Bukuwan franchise. Okay. Thank you.
Then, Ma'am Gerard, regarding po pala, paano po sila makakontak or makaka-avail just in case na hindi po sila makapunta sa mga event?
Okay. So, they can visit our Facebook page, Bukuwan. Yan. Makikita nyo lang yung logo ni Bukuwan. Ganyan lang yung Bukuwan Facebook page natin. And then, they can visit our website then, www.mangwan.ph.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, at day 2 na ng SME at syempre kasama